हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू कॉम्पिटिटिव क्विज अरीना। आज के करंट अफेयर्स रेलवे, यूपीएससी और सभी प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Which cultural festival marks its 10th anniversary starting on 6th February 2026? Answer option B, Udaipur World Music Festival. President's rule was revoked in which Indian state on 5th February 2026? Answer option B, Manipur. Who became Chief Minister of Manipur after President's rule was revoked? Answer option B, Yumnam Khemchand Singh. Over 2.5 crore Aadhaar numbers of deceased persons were deactivated to prevent. Answer option C, identity theft. The Supreme Court ruled that West Bengal government employees should receive arrears of. Answer option B, DNS allowance. New UPI rules beginning February 5, 2026 aim to improve. Answer option B, transaction speed and security. A fierce Naxalite encounter on 5th February occurred in. Answer option B, Chhattisgarh's Bijapur. The parliament continued debate on what major topic on 5th February? Answer option B, motion of thanks. Amit Shah began a 3-day tour of which region from 5th February? Answer option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Delhi police arrested the chairman of which university on this date? Answer option B, AI Fala University. Sri Lanka celebrated its Dash National Day on 5th February 2026. Answer option C, 78th. Which country faced renewed weather warning due to strong solar flares? Answer option C, global space agencies. India secured enhanced strategic trade momentum with which bloc? Answer option B, EU and US. India and US negotiations strengthened cooperation in. Answer option B, agriculture and dairy. The US and Iran talks resumed after being on the verge of collapse for. Answer option B, nuclear negotiation. Which acts amended insurance laws came into force from 5th February 2026? Answer option B, Sabka Bima Sabki Raksha. The amended insurance laws include which major reform? Answer option D, all of the above. Gold and silver prices on MCX on 5th February saw. Answer option C, both fell. Silver's price fell by approximately dash from record highs. Answer option C, 35%. World Bank approved a loan of about dash to upgrade India's skill institutes. Answer option B, $830 million. India is nearing a $3 billion deal with US from which aircraft? Answer option C, P-81 Poseidon. The first C-295 aircraft rollout assembly in India involves which city's facility? Answer option B, Vadodara. India's AMCA 5th Gen fighter jet program entered a new phase with. Answer option B, 3 private sector consortiums sortilized. Security forces neutralized terrorists in dash recent operations. Answer option B, J&K encounters. FIRs were registered against how many Skill India centers? Option C, 41. Free electricity for eligible families was approved in. Answer option B, J&K. Leaders from which region will meet center's high-powered committee over statehood talks? Answer option B, Ladakh. Assam's central devolution allocation increased to approx. Answer option C, rupees 49,725 crore. Rain and snowfall was expected in which region due to western disturbance? Answer option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Light rain or snow was also predicted for. Answer option B, Western Himalayas. The 2026 Women's Premier League concluded on. Answer option C, 5th February. The 2026 ICC Men's T20 World Cup will be hosted by. Answer option B, India and Sri Lanka. How many teams will participate in the 2026 T20 World Cup? Answer option C, 20. The WPL tournament format is. Answer option B, double round robin and playoffs. Space agencies are on alert due to. Answer option B, solar flares. PM Modi was set to visit which country on 7-8 February 2026? Answer option B, Malaysia. The India-US defense deal discussed on 5th February involved. Answer option B, P-81 aircraft. Denotified tribes demanded separate census entry for. Answer option B, 2027. The World Bank loan is meant to improve. Answer option B, skill institutes. Indian Space Agency's ISRO is gearing up for next PSLV mission in. आंसर ऑप्शन बी, जून। तो दोस्तों आज का करंट अफेयर्स का क्विज यहीं पर समाप्त होता है। अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू।